It's Kiki here. Thank you for signing up for my free ebook. And today I want to talk about the Gua Sha Ritual, and you can incorporate into your daily life. And firstly, you will have a clean face, and I don't have any makeup right now. I just wash my face and I put on some eye cream, and then I put on a really light facial oil. So you can use any facial oil that fits your skin type. For my skin, I like to use argan oil or jojoba oil. I try to choose them from the organic company, so that's better quality, better for your skin. And then I recommend you to do this ritual at night. So after that, you can just feel very relaxed and go to bed. And so firstly, we're going to do some lymphatic drainage exercise to open all the lymph node, because we have so much lymph node on the face and on the neck area. So firstly, we're going to roll our shoulders back a few times. You can do it from like 5 to 10 times. It depends on how much time do you have. And over the other side. Okay, and then we do like that. Massage along until your collarbone. We do this for about 3 to 5 times. If you have a little bit more time, I like to massage my underarm. Just feels so good. Because daily we eat all the food, and then the free radicals and pollution, and we absorb all kind of toxicity in our body. So during this massage is very beneficial to the body. The other side. Okay, and then facial oil is applied on my face right now. So we're gonna grab a gua sha. If you have any type of gua sha, that's okay. I'm using this Indian gua sha. It's called Konsa, and make sure it's really clean. And then we're gonna start with the back area, the neck area. We do a few times, and then we're gonna massage along the jawline a few times. Back in the ear a few times. So when you hold your gua sha, you should hold it at 45 degrees and really medium, light to medium pressure. It depends on your skin, how you feel. It's everything, every stroke is very intuitive and very soft. You still feel so soft, and also it's working. Do this. If you want to have the lip balm, you can do this. That will plump up your lips 5 to 8 times. Smile line. Smile line. As you see that I'm holding at 45 degrees, and the pressure right now is medium pressure. So when we do around the eye, will be light, really light pressure, because we don't want to damage the skin. Cheekbones. So you can hold it like that. That create really refined cheekbones. Eye area, really soft, really light pressure. And you can also apply some eye cream on the eye area and before you do this. Circling motion, 5 to 8 times. Around the eyebrow bones, lift up the eye really up up because after 35, we all know that our collagen level drops, and then some women may experience the droopy eyelid, and this one can really lift up the eyelid around the temple area. Do this massage, feels amazing, circling, and I turn it like that. I like to do it around this eyebrow point. Feels amazing if you have a long day. It's very soothing and relaxing. So if you want to create a higher nose bridge, refined nose, and we can do it like that. The other side, we can do it like that. Same. And then the third eye point is called yin tan, and yin tan is a very important point. When I go to my acupuncturist, she always put the needle on the yin tan because it's really calm. It's calming the soul, and it's very relaxing. So we can do this at home as well. Circling motion, the other side, the other way, like that. And from this yin tan, and massage along onto this point. It really calms your mind. You have a very good night's sleep tonight. And then for the forehead, 11 line, we don't want that. We put the gua sha like this, and the left hand we hold it on the head as an anchor, so you're not moving too much. And up. Remember the pressure. You don't want to put too much pressure because we have so much bone on the forehead. The skin is really thin, so if you put too much pressure, you will bruise up your skin. So really light pressure, massaging upward. Alright, and then for the under chin area, we don't want to have the double chin, so we'll chin up a little bit. Do this. And everything's massaging down to flush out the toxins. And before gua sha, I will recommend you to drink some water, and after gua sha, it's better to drink another cup of water or some tea. And it feels amazing after that. And for the chest area, I like to do like that. It's better when you wear something low cut. If you do it in your bedroom, you can just be naked after taking shower. And you can do it the other side. So wherever that I'm doing on my right side of my face, you should follow, and then after that you repeat the same, do it on the left side of your face. And then yes, the Gua Sha ritual is completed, and so I really enjoy this ritual. That I would love to have this ritual during the week. I would do it every other day or 2 or 3 times a week. If you don't have time, you can choose to do it on the weekend. I know that we're all living in a busy modern world, and it's not easy to remember to do this ritual every single day. But that's okay. And then after the Gua Sha ritual, I wanna give you a little bonus of a facial yoga. I've been practicing facial yoga for a while now, almost a year and a half now, and really helps me with my skin. I'm 42. I do not have much wrinkles and lines and sagginess in my face. I'm really lucky. So I want to share how I take care of myself. So for the facial yoga, we don't need to use any tool. You just have a clean hands, clean face, and grateful heart. Okay, we're gonna start. So we're gonna start with our chin up a little bit, and we put our tongue out, And then we putting our tongue, we like stretching our tongue out into the sky. And this posture will help with the under the chin, and if you have double chin, it will help. And stretching your neck, because we are all day, we are on our phone or computer. It really helps to like stretching your neck, and then help with the neckline as well. And I will do it about 8 to 10 times. Okay, and the other one is to focus on the smile line. Circling this way and the other way. Yes. And then we're gonna do this. And you can like put like a space inside your mouth. It should be one like pointy finger in it. And moving your mouth. And can you see that it really helps with the smile line here? This one's actually my favorite facial yoga pose. And then next, we're going to focus on the eye area. So we hold our eye like this, and we try to squeeze our eyes, but not moving too much, because we don't want to create wrinkles on the forehead. So we're gonna, it's kind of funny, but we're gonna do like this. We do it 10 to 15 times. Okay. And then next, we're gonna do like this. Your upper lip should be closing. We're gonna move our cheekbones up. This will help with your refined cheekbones. Try again. This one is a little bit tricky, but it takes everything that takes practice. The more you practice, the better you get. All right. And then the last one, as you know that it's been a while now, like people talk about mowing. So it's the tongue posture. Your tongue should be on top of your mouth, behind your teeth. So for example, this is the teeth, and we do the tongue posture here. And this help to refine that jawline. Can you see it? So when I'm walking or driving, taking a bus, I would put my tongue in that position, and that will really help with your jawline. Yes. Okay, that was a little bonus for you, and thank you so much for subscribing and signing up for the free ebook. I'm hoping to publish more ebooks. I absolutely love to do what I do in holistic skincare, Gua Sha facial yoga, and coming up, I will be posting more healthy cooking recipe. And thank you so much for following this journey. I wish you well and sending you so much love. Thank you.